Hi guys, myself thinking this video shows you the problem on LeetCode. Find smallest letter greater than target. So you're given array of characters, letters that is sorted in a non-decreasing order and a character target. So there are at least two different characters in the letters and return the smallest character in letters that is lexicographically greater than the target. If such a character doesn't exist, then return the first character in the letters. So you're given an array of characters and they are in non-decreasing order. Non-decreasing order. So, what we need to do is given a target letter, let's say A or something, we need to traverse in the array and we have to find the next greater letter that is present in the array letters. So that means if A is taken, let's say let's start from the first. So C, if you see C is of course greater than A, so hence you return C. And you need not to go for F and J because the first greater element that is C. And if you move into the next question here, again for C, the target letter is C. So C won't be the next letter letter. The next letter letter found is F. That's what we written. If you take an X here, X, X, Y, and Z. Yeah. Here you could say target equal to Z. Is there any letter which is greater than Z? No, there cannot be. So in that case, what you written is you return the first character in the letters. That is letters of 0, which is nothing but X here. These are the cases which we need to handle in the problem. So the normal approach can be the linear search. Just for traversing the array from the starting and check whether the given element is greater than the target. If it is greater, then return this element. Even after doing a linear search in the array, you do not get any greater element, then you just return the letters of 0. That is a normal approach. But what's the better approach? So that has a complexity of big O of n, but we have better approach of using binary search. Since the elements are in sorted order, we can use binary search that has a complexity of big O of log n. So we will use that. So I have taken an example. I have taken an example. ACFJP and H is the target. So is A is greater than H? No. A is not greater than H. Is C is greater than H? No. F? No. J? Yes, it is. So the answer should be J in this case. What if I have a letter, let's say W? A is not greater than W, C is not greater than F, J, P, none of these are not greater than W. So in that case, you have to return A as the answer. So if H is the target, then J will be the answer. W is the target, then A will be the answer. So how do we do the binary search problem? Apply the logic here. Search. As we know, in the binary search, we will have two variables. One is left, pointing to the left of the array, and other is right. So mid will be calculated left plus right by 2, that is 2. This is mid. So next what we need to do? So after this, so again I'll tell you this is left, this is right and mid. So now you have to check whether the mid characteristic mid value is it greater than the target. If mid value is greater than target value. Is F is greater than target? No. F is not greater than target. That means the target value exists after mid. So what do you need to do is instead of L here we do mid plus 1 as L because till mid there cannot be any characters that is greater than target. So we have to recompute the mid as well. 3 plus 4, 7 by 2 will be again 3. So 3.5, that is approximately 3. So here it will be the mid. So once you have a mid here, now again check J if it is greater than H. Is J greater than H? Yes, it is. So that means now the mid value can exist before to mid. So what do we do for that? We do right equal to mid minus 1. So replace this right as mid minus 1. So now you can see left has increased. So until left lesser than or equal to right only we will perform the operation. Now left is greater than right. So you stop the loop. Now you could see, as I said, J is the greatest higher element next to H. We will return letters of left as the answer. So if in case, let's say W is the target element, then again we will check what will be the answer, how to fetch the answer. So if W is a target, then this is left, this is right. If the greater element is present, the letters of L will be the answer, that is left. So if W is a target, now left, right, so mid will be here. So mid is not greater than the target, so left will be mid plus 1. So recompute the mid will be here. Again, mid is not greater than target W. So again, what left will be mid plus 1. So again, recompute mid will be at the same position. 4 plus 4 by 2 will be 4. So mid will be here. Again, check whether P is greater than W. No, it is not. So what do you need to do? Again, will be left will be equal to mid plus 1. That will move out of the array. So in this case, you stop the loop because here also left is greater than right. You could see right is over here, left is over here. This is cancelled because you have to come left and right on where left is greater than target. At this time you stop. So and the left is pointing out of the array. It will point out of the array. So at last you have to check whether. So you have to check whether left. If it is less than n, then what will you answer? If it is less than n, then letters of left you need the answer. Otherwise, letters of 0 will be answer. If it is not less than n means it is out of bound. Yeah, that is the approach to solve the problem. Quickly we will code this. So initially we have character. So int left equal to 0. Then int right equal to okay, letters dot length, right? So we'll compute that as well. So int n equal to letters dot length. So it will be n minus 1. So while left lesser than or equal to right, so compute the mid value. So int mid equal to in the bracket I'll write left plus right whole divided by 2. So now check if mid is not mid actually letters of mid, if that is less than the target value, then left will be equal to mid plus 1. So otherwise else right will be equal to mid minus 1. Here only we can include if it is lesser than or equal to target. Yeah. So at last you have to check. So return if left is less than n question mark, then you have to return letters of left. Otherwise it is out of bound, so you return letters of 0 as the answer. Fine. Yeah. If you understood the approach, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. We'll come up with another next session. Until then, keep learning. Thank you.